How to assign product template in Shopify. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments. And also, you can also leave a like if this helps you out, so I know it helped you out as well. So first, we need to actually create a product template. So how do we do that? Well, you simply want to click on your online store, go to themes over here, and we want to customize it over here. Now then I'm just going to go to a product. And what I'm going to do is simply, or what you can do is simply just change this whole page up how you would like it to look like. And then once you are happy with that, what you can do is here at the top, for me it's called default product. I don't know if that is the case for you as well, but you want to click on there. And here you can see products, right? And you want to click on this. And here we can see create template. Now what we can do is simply create a template, and then I'll just call this new or something like that. Just you need to name it so you can remember it, of course. And then here we don't really have a different option, at least currently. And then you want to click on create template. If you need Shopify, but you're not sure yet, or you're already enjoying Shopify, or you know somebody that needs Shopify, what you can do is bring your ideas to life for €1 per month. So what you can do is go to the link in the description or the pinned comment under this YouTube video and sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for €1. So grab the deal now before it is gone, and yeah, good luck with your store. And we have now created a template. So how can we actually assign a product template then? Well, you want to go back and then to products. And here we can see the red t-shirt again. Now, I didn't have any other products right now, so that's why I'm going to show you guys it with this page again. But normally you would have multiple products, of course. So if you scroll down here, you can see theme template. And here you can see default product, and here you can also see the new. And then once you're happy with that, you can just simply click on save. And now you've pretty much applied or assigned a product template to your product. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to assign product template in Shopify.